Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page, where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a really cool building set, and this is an actual real functioning vintage kind of swing clock here. So this was come over by a company called EIAVURPE, and like I said, it's a retro clock, and once you open it up, it's going to have these really easy to follow instructions. It's going to walk you through all the steps, and it highlights in red which ones are going. It's also going to separate the bags into kind of stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, so you're not hunting through all those pieces at once. It's also going to include the little building block removable piece here, so that way if you do get any pieces in the wrong spot, it's very easy to remove them, which is also nice. Now you'll notice on the set itself, it does have a functioning clock with handles and everything that is moving around, which is really, really cool. So it's gonna give you a spare set. So in case you end up breaking a piece or damaging it, you do get a spare set. But to give you an idea, this is going to take you a couple hours to fully build. It does go well together, puts together really, really easy. Like I said, it has a total of 751 pieces here, and it's designed for ages 6 and up. Now, if you're right at kind of 6 to 7, it's probably gonna be a little bit tougher to get together on the smaller pieces here, but it is a lot of fun, especially if you're doing this as a family. Now, to give you an idea of the overall size of this set, it is about 11.5 inches tall. It's about 4.25 inches in depth and about 5 inches wide. Now, it does have a mechanism here on the back. It has a hidden door. You can simply pop that open, and then you have another door that's gonna reveal the clock settings. Now, obviously, you can just adjust the time. It also does have an optional alarm clock if you wanna set the alarm clock, and then it just takes a single AA battery, and that's what's operating the face of the clock. Nice thing, no clicking or anything like that. It is a silent rotation of your clock, which is great. Now, it also does have a mechanical pendulum here. There is a little kind of trigger swing here on the bottom, which you can rotate, and it just moves it back and forth with the various gears, which is also kind of another little cool hand crank kind of set up here. But overall, like I said, very easy to build, a lot of fun. It even has the detailed stickers. I do recommend putting the stickers on. It says do it at last, but I find it a lot easier to put the stickers on before building the set. So that is a little friendly tip. But overall, if you are looking for a fun vintage clock building set, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.